Hi, this is the HUAWEI Nova Y91 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So we should first open the settings, tap the home screen and wallpaper, click the wallpaper section. You'll see here the gallery folder. You could use photos from your device gallery or download it from the internet, for example. Here we got photos, the default photos from our device, and also we could tap to more wallpapers to use the online wallpapers. But to use the online wallpapers, you should be connected to the Wi-Fi or to mobile data. For example, let's use one from the default wallpapers. Just tap to apply and select lock screen. Wait a couple of seconds, so let's just lock the device. We could see that we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. Also, we had one more way how we could do that. Just first pinch to customize your screen, tap on the left down corner to wallpaper icon, and by the same way select one from the wallpapers. You could see the preview on home and lock screen, so let's use this one. Tap apply, lock screen, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.